Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to see a simple and quick recipe. It is Neer Dosa, and for this dosa you don't need to wait for fermentation. So right after grinding, dosa can be made, and this is famous in Mangalore and Udupi side. Before we get into the video, please do subscribe our channel, and if you like the video, share with your friends. Come guys, let's get into the video. Thank you. Let's see what are the requirements. Only two things are required here. Idli or dosa rice you can take, and it has to be soaked for 3 hours. That is important. And coconut, you have to peel off the coconut skin like this. You can see how I have peeled off completely. It's full white. And cut it into pieces. And 1 tumbler of rice and half tumbler of coconut I have taken. And these both has to be grinded together in a mixie. Now I have grinded it. Let me transfer it to a bowl and add water. We have to add more water, and the consistency should be like this. And we have taken a pan. It doesn't mean you have to use a pan like this. Normal dosa pan will do. And you have to make like a wheat dosa. And for rice dosa, normally we will put the batter and spread like this generally. But don't do this here, because if you spread, the dosa won't come properly. Just we have to pour the batter and fill the gaps. See, we are filling the gaps like this. And for this dosa, you don't need to flip both sides. It's just one side, and the other side, just close it with a lid so that it gets cooked. Now the dosa is cooked. We are just taking it. It's nicely cooked. So I have yesterday's fish curry. I'm going to have with the fish curry. See how soft it looks. It looks yummy and it tastes very good. And it goes very well with fish curry. If not, chutney, which has to be slightly tangy. We had already done fish curry in our channel. It is in the description. You can watch. And for chutney, I will be making one nice chutney that goes well with this in upcoming days. It's done, guys. Thank you so much. Do try.